Hello dear student of class 9. Welcomes to DAV Moyle Public School online e-learning session of social science. I am your social science teacher Mr. Mani sir, and today we are going to revise natural vegetation and wildlife part 1. Dear student, our country India is one of the 12th mega biodiversity countries of the world with about 47,000 plant species. India occupies 10th place in the world and the 4th in Asia in plant diversity. There are about 15,000 flowering plants in India, which account for 6% of world's total number of flowering plants. So, here India has many non-flowering plants such as ferns, algae and fungi. India also has 90,000 species of animal as well as rich variety of fish in its fresh and marine waters. Natural vegetation that refers to plant community. See, this is the virgin vegetation. Natural vegetation to a plant community which has grown naturally without human aid, without any interfere of human, left undisturbed by human for a long time, and this term as a virgin vegetation. The term flora is used to denote plants of a particular region or period, and similarly, the species of animal are referred to as fauna. This huge diversity of flora and fauna kingdom is due to some factors. So, factors affecting the diversity in flora and fauna. Relief, land and soil we have. So, here at first, land. It affects the natural vegetation directly. The fertile level is generally devoted to agriculture. The undulating and rough terrains are areas where the grassland and woodlands develop and give shelter to a variety of wildlife. Then soil. Different types of the soil provide the basis for different types of the vegetation. The sandy soils of the desert support cactus and thorny bushes, while wet, marshy, deltaic soils support mangrove and deltaic vegetation. The hill slope with some depth of the soil have conical trees. So, this is all about relief. Now, climate. In climate, temperature, the character and extent of vegetation are mainly determined by temperature along with humidity in the air, precipitation and soil. On the slope of the Himalayas and hills of the peninsula, the fall in the temperature affects the types of the vegetation and its growth and changes it from tropical to subtropical temperate and alpine vegetation. Understand? So, here the land, types of crop. See, these are the types of crops. Different types of the soil and different types of the crops. Sunlight. Now, sunlight means a photoperiod. The variation in duration of sunlight at different places is due to differences in altitude, season and duration of the day. Due to a longer duration of sunlight, trees grow faster in summers. Here, the precipitation. In India, almost the entire rainfall is brought in by the advancing southwest monsoon, which comes to June to September, and retreating northwest monsoon. Areas of heavy rainfall have more dense vegetation as compared to areas of less rainfall. So these are the some environmental factors that affecting on the vegetation. Now the ecosystem. Dear student, ecosystem define area in which a community lives in with interaction taking place among the organism between the community and its non-living physical environment. An ecosystem formed by the interaction between all living and non-living things. So we can say that the interaction between a non-living and living things are called ecosystem. So here the importance of the forest. Dear student, we have forest and these forests have the more and more important to our country. It's provide the more importance to our life. So forests are renewable resources and play the major role in enhancing the quality of environment. Forests modify local climate. Forests control soil erosion. Forests regulate stream flow. Support a variety of industries. Trees provide livelihood for many communities and offer panoramic or scenic view for recreation. They provide humus to soil and shelter to wildlife. India's natural vegetation has undergone many changes due to several factors, such as the growing demand of the cultivated land, development of industries and mining, urbanization, and overgrazing of the pasture. So, these are the factors of deforestation in our country. The vegetation over of India in large part is no more natural in the real sense, except in some inaccessible region like Himalayas, the hilly region of the central India and the Marusthali. The vegetation in most of the areas has been modified at some places or replaced or degraded by the human occupancy. So these are the importance of the forest, dear student. Okay? Now here the some one assignment question on today's topic. You should write these questions answer properly in your copy with its answer. Okay, dear student. I hope you understand today's topic. So thank you for watching this online video and have a nice day ahead. Thank you.